I cannot speak English language, but I have a English language channel. Is it interesting? On my English language channel, you will find informative videos, and their number is more than 1K long videos and probably similar short videos, and where I'm sharing information, unique ideas, but still I am not able to speak good English language. But when I started this channel, at that moment I thought that if I will wait for perfection, that when I will become perfect, then I will start my English language channel. Then I would not be able to start this English language channel where I'm very close to complete 1000 subscribers. Only when I'm making this video, 15 subscribers are left to complete 1000 and one criteria for monetization. Watch time is also required, but one criteria, that is 1000 subscriber, is very close. And for that, I need your support, your encouragement, so that when you will subscribe to me, I will get motivation. Then I will make more interesting videos for you, more unique idea I will bring for you, and you can go deep into my channel to find some very interesting videos. I have also made some playlists. You can check those playlists and select the playlist of your interest and give your feedback that whether you are understanding my English, as I am speaking English language as a non-native. English is not my first language, and at the age of I think 10, after my fifth standard, in my sixth class, I started learning ABC, alphabetical words of English language, alphabetical letters. So I did not find any person who is better in English language with whom I could make the practice of speaking. I myself was interested to speak English language, although I can't I cannot speak proper English, but I think that I can send my ideas, my message to others through this language. Whether I am speaking the broken language, no matter, but my message is reaching to the whole world. My message is going to the whole world, and it is interesting. You can give your feedback below in the comment box. Right now, allow me, and before leaving, do subscribe so that you never miss our other interesting videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.